now it's tamarind season. Tamarinds can be found on trees all over Barbados. So today I'll be sharing with you a recipe made from tamarinds. Now if you enjoy tamarinds as much as I do, you will definitely enjoy tamarind balls. I'll link in the icons above and the description box below. It is a sweet and tangy treat. Children absolutely love it. You can also try tamarind chutney, really good at special events or parties. I'll also link that one in the icons above and the description box below. But today we're going to be making tamarind paste. So let's go over the ingredients. We have one ingredient, the tamarind. Our first step is to shell our tamarinds. Now they usually have a really hard shell on the outside, but it breaks really easily. So we're going to remove the shell and you will see lovely brown meaty tamarind flesh, and it always has the veins running through it. So we're going to grab all of the tamarind, try not to get the shells, and once we would have grabbed a good amount of tamarinds, we're going to go on to the next step. Our next step is to cover our tamarinds with some hot water. Now once the water is hot, the tamarind flesh will fall off of the tamarind seeds easily, but we're going to allow this to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to glove up and we're going to just manipulate it to get rid of all of the seeds. It has been about half an hour, so you will see the water looks discolored because the pulp, and it's so soft and it falls away so easily. You can use a fork if you didn't want to use your hands, but I think it's pretty safe and hygienic just to get the gloves on and to just break the seeds apart. Our penultimate step is to strain our tamarind because we don't want to get any shell, we don't want to get any seeds, we just want that gorgeous tamarind paste. And our final step is to apply a little heat to our paste. This brings everything together. So we'll add our paste. Remember, we would have removed the seeds and any bits of shell that got in. Now we'll just allow it to get hot. Look how rich and decadent it looks. Oh man. This is a great base for sauces and also for chutneys. Now it's time to taste. It's not tamarind if you don't feel that sting. Pure tamarind paste. Perfect for making your chutneys and your sauce. Tamarind paste. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this tamarind recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other tamarind recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.